Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix MS Gaming overlay error in Windows 11. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. First things first, you want to go on search and find a registry editor and open it up. Once you will open it up, you will find all of these files. You want to open up a HKey current user, expand it, then go software, expand it, and find Microsoft. Again, expand it, and now you need to find Windows. So scroll down and expand the Windows. After you are here, you want to choose current version, expand it, and from here you want to find GameDVR, as you can see. Once you will find GameDVR, you need this file, which is called App Capture Enabled. If you don't have it, then you can create it. I'm just going to show you in a second. So you want to click a few times and make sure that the value data is 0. If you don't have such a file, you want to go on the white space, create new, dword 32-bit value. Then you're going to write down App Capture Enabled. Just like so. Open it up and make sure that the value is 0. And that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.